Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Be Lifecycle. The queen is a fertilized female. There is only one queen in a hive, and only she can lay eggs. So we have different kinds of bees, but the queen is the only fertilized female, and its work is to lay eggs. Drones are males. There may be several hundreds in a hive. Their function is to fertilize the queen. The males, which we call the drones, they are several, many of them in a hive, and their major function is to fertilize the queen. Workers are sterile females. That means they are not fertile females, and they may be around 20,000 to 80,000 in a hive. So the workers, these are females which are sterile, and there are very many in the hive, but they are sterile, meaning they are not fertile. They cannot produce. They do all the work of building the combs, collecting and storing nectar and pollen, feeding the larvae, and also cleaning the hive. The workers, which are sterile female, they do the work of building the combs, they collect, they store nectar and pollen, and they do feed the larvae, at the same time cleaning of the hive. The workers build three types of wax cells, differing in size and shape. So another work which is done by the worker is to build the wax cells of different size and shapes. We have the wax cells, we have the drone cells, and then we have the queen cell. All those are wax cells, and they are of different sizes and different shapes. The queen lays eggs in each of the cells, and the eggs will hatch into larvae. So when the cells have been laid, the wax cells, the queen just comes and lay there the eggs. And also the drone cells, the queen will lay their cells. And the queen cells, the queen will go on laying eggs in all the cells. The workers, they feed the larvae until they are ready to pupate, and then they put a wax capping over the cells. So we have the egg which was produced and it turns into a larva. So the workers will come and then always be putting food in the cell, which is of course going to be fed on by the larva. And when the larva is about to pupate, they will cover the top with a wax cap so that the larva can pupate in the wax cell. After 10 days, the capping is beaten off and the adult bee will emerge out. So after 10 days, this capping is going to be removed and the adult bee will emerge out. It will come out of the cell. The eggs laid in the drone cells, they are unfertilized and they develop into males. So we say that there are 3 types of cells that are constructed by the workers, and one of them is the drone cells. The drone cells, here the queen will lay the eggs, and when the queen lays the eggs here, the eggs which are laid here in the drone cell, they are unfertilized eggs, and they are the ones that develop into the male. The eggs laid in the wax cells and the queen cells, these ones are fertilized. But the queen larvae are fed on different diet from that of the larvae in the wax cells. So we have the wax cells. The wax cells here, which are also constructed by the workers, the eggs are laid there. And then also we have the queen cell. The queen cell, also the queen will lay the eggs there. Both the eggs laid in the wax cell and those eggs laid in the queen cells, all those eggs are fertilized. Now, the wax cells, the larvae in the wax cells are fed, and the larvae in the queen cell are also fed, but they are fed on different deities, and that's what makes them to become different bees. Those that are in the wax cell will become the workers, and those that are in the queen cells, they will become queen because of the deity which is used to feed on the larvae. The difference in deity causes the workers to be sterile and the queen to be fertile. So we have seen that the work cells, the eggs that are laid here and the eggs that are laid in the queen cells, all of them are fertilized eggs. But the type of feeding which is given to the larvae in the queen cell is different from that one which is fed on by the larvae which are in the work cells. So this makes the larvae in the queen cell to become fertile and the larvae in the work cells to become sterile. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for participating in Bee Lifecycle. Please do like, share, and subscribe.